Hey everyone, and welcome to today's explainer. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're putting a single, highly concentrated piece of promotional text right under the microscope. We're looking at a Rendair AI promo code, and we're going to break down literally every single element of this brief, but honestly super potent string of text to figure out exactly how it drives action. Let's see how all these puzzle pieces fit together.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is the foundational document for our whole analysis today. The text reads, and I'll quote it verbatim for you, Rendair AI promo code. Use my exclusive discount link and apply verified coupon code FAISAL10OFF. Get 75% off https:/try.rendairai/get75. Right, so that's the complete source material. Just one sentence. But, within this single incredibly dense sentence, we've actually got a fully formed digital ecosystem. We've got a product reference, an exclusivity claim, a guarantee of verification, an exact alphanumeric key, a massive value proposition, and a precise destination. We are going to unpack every single one of those elements right now.
Part 1. The Rendair AI offer, analyzing the value proposition. Let's look at what's actually being promised here. 75. Wow, the source material doesn't just toss out a slight, negligible little discount. It promises a staggering 75% off. Just think about the gravity of that number for a second in the context of digital offers. We're not talking about a modest 10 or 20% reduction here. No way. By using the components in this text, you're positioned to keep 3/4 of the cost right in your own pocket. This absolutely enormous fraction is the gravitational center of the whole message. It's the hook. It's what gives the rest of the text its power, its urgency, and its immediate relevance to you. Let's move to part 2 and see how this builds, the exclusive coupon code, unlocking the discount.
Now, what's really interesting about this is the actual mechanism. FAISAL10OFF. Notice the highly precise language surrounding this exact code. The text doesn't just casually toss this string of letters and numbers out there. Nope, it explicitly labels FAISAL10OFF as a verified coupon code. And on top of that, it's tied directly to what the source specifically calls my exclusive discount link. These two little modifiers, exclusive and verified, are absolutely crucial to the anatomy of this offer. Verified signals reliability, right? It assures you that this is a functional key. Well, exclusive implies this special restricted access level to that massive 75% reduction we were just talking about.
Which brings us to part 3, claiming your discount, the execution strategy.
So here is the exact required destination, try.rendair.ai/get75. You'll actually notice the URL itself reinforces that crazy value proposition right at the end with the get75 tag. But more importantly, looping back to our source text for a second, this specific web address is what the author is referring to as the exclusive discount link. It is the absolute non-negotiable staging ground for this whole thing. You can't just take that verified code FAISAL10OFF and plug it in anywhere. No, the execution strategy demands that you navigate directly to this precise URL to initiate the transaction and actually claim that value.
And this brilliantly illustrates how a single, dense sentence actually acts as a set of highly structured instructions. When you really map it out, the source provides a crystal clear chronological 3-step action plan. Step 1, you got to go to the designated staging area, that exclusive link at try.rendair.ai/get75. Step 2, once you're there, you actively apply the verified coupon code FAISAL10OFF. And step 3, the ultimate payoff for those actions, you get 75% off. It is just a perfectly logical flow, walking you step by step from the location to the action to the reward. So, there you have it. We've successfully broken down the anatomy of this highly concentrated offer. We've seen that staggering 75% value proposition, we've analyzed the verified code FAISAL10OFF, and we mapped out the exact exclusive URL you need to execute the transaction. The mechanics are totally laid bare, and the instructions couldn't be clearer, which really just leaves us with one final provocative question based on what we've unpacked today. Will you claim your exclusive 75% off today? I mean, the verified code is sitting right there, the instructions are perfectly mapped out, and the link is waiting. The rest is entirely up to you. Thanks so much for joining me for this focused explainer, and remember, keep seeking out the structure in the information around you. Catch you next time.